Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dave and today we are here with a comparison video. These are glasses and I have done the unboxing of this 3 months back, both of these. I will put the link of those in the description below. If you want to check those, you can go ahead and see those. Now, in those videos, I have been getting a lot of queries lately, like how it is performing. So I decided to do a 4 month review together with this, and at the same time do a comparison video between these two. So that will, I hopefully that will answer all of your questions there. Now, coming to the Intellilens, I will start with the case itself. Before that, let me just tell you how much this costs. The market price of the Intellilens is 2,999, but you can get this for around 650 something, like 695. Yeah, you can get that for in Amazon for that price. I actually bought this for around 799 at that time. And the Lenskart ones, the MRP of this is 3,500, more than that, and you can get this for around 750. So I actually paid more for this one. Now coming to the case itself, the Intellilens ones is made of plastic, simple plastic, looks like no different from the local ones that you get. And the Lenskart ones is actually, it's covered by something like a rexing like thin, and it has a texture, good grip, it provides good grip, and this actually looks quite classy. As if I hope you can see, there is a good metal hinge, and the thing is the case itself is metal. No, it will provide very good protection to your specs. This can fall down and break, or it can get crushed in your bag or something like that. There is no hinge even, it's just plastic. Just see here, it's a metal hinge and it's a metal box. So right out of the box I start to like this, right? But more of that later. Now, let me just open that, open both of these, and I will just put this out and show you the box first. So this is how it looks, simple Intellilens branding here, and here's like will look good together or something, and there is something below that. Yeah, days to adjust your eyes. Anyways, now let me just show you the cloth quality itself. So these are the things, these small things tells you a lot about the company. So this is the Lenskart ones. Again, this looks like the local ones, just a branding here, Intellilens. The Lenskart ones, on the other hand, the quality of this is very nice. It's actually heavier than this one, much better quality, and it's even bigger than that. Let me just open that. This is that, and this is God. You can get an idea, right? So this is what it is. All right, and I actually paid 50 rupees more for this the Intellilens ones. Okay, let me just put this away now. The black one is the Intellilens ones, matte black, and this is the Lenskart ones. This is the Lenskart Blue. Both of these has blue cut lens, so these are good for if you are using a lot of spending a lot of time in front of the screen, in your mobile, or you read a lot. The actual thing is it cuts blue light. Blue light is very harmful for your eyes. It actually, you feel stressed out when you are spending a lot of time in front of the screen or something like that, and this claims to cut out the blue light, filter out the blue light, so your eyes are not that much stressed. So both of these has blue cut lenses, and as you can see, this is covered with a green tint, so it helps in cutting out the blue light. Some of the specs have a blue coating, but the green is good. I have actually consulted a doctor about this. They are saying that the blue is all right. Now, the next thing is the Lenskart ones is a bit bigger than this the Intellilens ones, and I actually prefer that. Why? When you wear the Intellilens ones, the frame actually comes in your field of vision, so that actually annoyed me a lot. When I started using this, I don't wear specs, and this one actually irritated me a lot. In case of the Lenskart ones, you do not even feel that you're wearing a spec. It does not come into your field of vision. So that is one good thing. Now, both of these are lightweight. Um, the Lenskart ones has actually some details given. Pardon me. Some details given about the lens, the material, and all those things. This is something they are using as TR90 material. Both of these are not glass. These days you don't get glass. All of these are plastic. Sorry for that. Cold weather, cough and cold. So anyways, what we're talking about is plastic lens, on paper scratch resistant, but the lens cardon, when I got this, I actually tried to wipe this using a microfiber cloth, not the ones provided in the box, but a simple microfiber cloth, and I actually scratched the entire both of this lens. It scratched very badly. So this is not scratch resistant. Keep that in mind. It actually scratches. But I learned my lesson in this lens card once. I did not try anything like that. But this is actually much better than this. I've been using that. I'll tell you later why. Um, Now coming to the frame itself, both are lightweight. And the Intellilens ones, this actually has a spring in the frame itself, so this has a little bit of automatic close and open function, while the Lenskart one does not have any spring. It is simple specs. uh, Talking of the frame itself, the Intellilens ones actually is better finished than the Lenskart ones. As you can see, it's matte black, looks very nice, but the look is not the important thing here, right? You want your eyes to be relaxed. Now, the lens cut was actually fell down once and it did not scratch. So that is another thing you should know about. The lens cut ones has both of these are anti-glare and both of these are UV rays resistant. The lens cut one actually has a rating of UV 400. It can be used till UV 400, something like that. And the lens cut ones is hydrophobic. That means it repels water, and it is dust repellent. But there is nothing of any such type of things is written for Intellilens. It might be, but it's not written. So now coming to the final verdict, what if you ask me, I would recommend the blue lens, the blue cart, Lenskart Blu ones. Why? The build quality of this is better than this. At least the lens, that is what matters. This actually uh, stops more blue light. I use this in my office, for 8 hours daily, and I use this after office for mobile purposes 1 hour or 2 year maybe. And that's the reason I use this more, because this actually works. I am not saying the Intellilens doesn't work. This also, when I started wearing this, I actually felt my eyes relax a bit, but this is better than this. And the rest of things I've already said. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I will answer each and every one of you. I hope this was useful. If it was, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here and stay safe. Goodbye.